Scottish Quality Crops is the assurance scheme for combinable crop growers in Scotland. It's an assurance scheme co-op owned by the industry and farmers for the industry and farmers.
Quality assurance is an essential requirement of everyday farming to make sure that our customers understand what our production processes are. A lot of it is really just recording what we already do, but it's important that there's a traceability of knowledge going down the food chain.
Scottish Quality Crops assurance is so important for growers in Scotland because what it does is it actually gives them that access to market. Scottish Quality Crops now has 3,100 assured growers, and that represents over 90% of all crop that actually is grown in Scotland. The benefits to SQC of being a co-op are enabling that cooperation and collaboration, and enabling as well very, very simple discussions. We want to know what the future direction of travel is going to be for our farmers. It's not just though about bringing in new standards, it could actually be about reducing it, and we know that that's what farmers would like to see more of.
So SQC has a board that consists of industry bodies, and every year we review the standards, and we may have to adapt our standards to satisfy the requirements of new markets that are emerging. So farmer representation is very important because we need to make sure that we're not asking too much of our growers.
The benefits of being a member of SQC means that the crops we grow here on the farm, which I'm really proud of, are marketed to a broad range of buyers, and that they know they're getting the best quality. It's really encouraging to know that SQC is a cooperative and that the board is actually chaired by a farmer as well, so that our views are front and centre.
What's important to Scottish Quality Crops as an organisation are our farmers. It's all about being able to ensure the sustainability of their businesses and their farms for the future through assurance. We recognise the fact that not everybody believes in assurance, but it is voluntary. You then gain your access to market, you can sell your product on, you can gain more for it.
So FIA operates in support of SQC. SQC own the assurance scheme. They are responsible for setting the standards. To have integrity in those standards, they need to be independently audited. So we are an independent certification body that conducts assessments and certification to the SQC scheme.
We buy Scottish malting barley for our 2 distilleries here in Tain and in Islay. We're very specific about the quality we need, and the SQC system helps us get that quality. All the grain we buy is SQC approved. What I would say going forward is quality is going to remain super important, but we also have to start working on the environment and making the barley something that we can continue to grow into the future in Scotland.
Scottish Quality Crops gives our customers confidence to continue buying Scottish grain. And in a very buoyant, increasing market, SQC will help that process of making sure that our customers continue to buy from Scottish farmers.
So we are a voice to protect the interests of your business for now and in the future.